Hi guys, it's Glam by ExoCham here, and in today's video I did a really fun, frilly, pink inspired look just in time for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to start off with using my Mario Badescu Rose Water and mist that over my face. I'm going to apply my favorite MAC Match Master in 6.0 all over my face using my Beauty Blender. I'm going to blend that all over my skin and into my neck. I've been having a little bit of discoloration under my neck, so I'm just going to blend that in under my neck as well. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 25 medium and highlight under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, as well as my forehead and chin. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender and I'm going to blend that out. Make sure you blend that out as good as you can, guys. It's very important. Go to my other side and blend that out. And I do it in a dabbing motion more so than a sweeping motion. You want to make sure that it's blended very well into your skin to give you a really smooth finish. Blend out your forehead as well as your nose. A little product goes a long way. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. And I'm going to take two of the shades and I'm going to mix them together. I chose the shade that I showed you, and off camera I added a little bit more of the darker brown, just depending on how you like your contour. Sometimes I like mine a little bit deep just to carve out that cheekbone. I'm going to blend that out using my Beauty Blender, and again, like I said, we are dabbing to blend. We're not sweeping. Okay. Blend it in to our nose. I'm going to set my under eye using my Airspun. This is a trick that I found to really make your highlighter pop. Not your under eye, your highlighter. So notice that I'm only setting from the inner portion of my eye to the outer portion of my eye, not on my cheek. It's very important to not add any powder product because that's going to make your highlight pop even more. So as an eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using my NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. And I'm just going to use a flat concealer brush to apply it all over my lid and just blend it out. I'm going to be using a Wet n Wild palette in it's called a Color Icon palette. I'm going to use the crease shade. I'm going to apply that all over my crease. And repeat the same steps on the opposite side of my face. Make sure you blend it in really well, no harsh lines. I really like this. It's a really inexpensive drugstore eyeshadow palette, and it's only like $8 with some really vivid colors. So I'm then going to go into my eyelid shade on that palette, and I'm going to blend that my upper crease. And I want to make sure we don't have any harsh lines. Going in with my NYX Primal Colors in the shade Hot Pink. I'm going to apply that into my inner crease as well as my outer V. And I'm going to make sure that this is really pungent. I want to make sure that my crease is popping, okay? Blend that in. I'm actually using a e.l.f. crease brush. It's one of my favorite inexpensive crease brushes, and it gets right into your crease. I'm going to be using my Styla Glow Sticks in Into the Sea. I'm going to apply that on both lids. I'm even going to wing it out. I want a little bit of drama. And then I'm going to apply right over that glow stick some pink glitter. And I just got this from the craft store. I'm going to define my crease a little bit more with that hot pink in the NYX Primal Colors. I'm going to blend it out, guys. I don't like harsh lines, so I want to make sure that everything is blended out really well. And I'm going to wing it out. And this is what's going to give it a little bit more drama. Winging out that shadow. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay in my Ultra Razor Jet Black eyeliner. Going to wing it out. Make sure you take your time with this step, guys. You want to make sure you have a really crisp line. I'm going to go in and dust off the loose powder that we set our concealer with. I'm just using a powder brush from Real Techniques. Now to contour my face, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm going to use the darkest brown shade to apply that to my cheeks as well as my forehead and my chin. No double chins here. I'm going to be using my Real Techniques blending brush, and I'm going to apply the same shade on my nose, making sure I'm blending it out and really contouring it to my liking. For blush, I'm going to be going in with a pink shade from the BH Cosmetics blush palette. I'm going to apply that using a blush brush onto the apples of my cheek. Now to finish my under eyes, I'm going to be going back into that crease shade from this Poster Child palette. I'm going to go back also into that NYX Cosmetics Hot Pink and make sure that we put that right on top of that crease shade to make that under eye pop. Then I'm going to be using in my inner tear ducts this Loose Pigment by NYX. It's an iridescent pink color, and it really makes this look pop. Gonna dust my face in some all-nighter. Make sure I soak it down. And then I'm going to be applying some Allure lashes. I got these lashes from Walmart, and they were about $8.99. And I really love these lashes. These are the best faux mink lashes that I found. I'm going to be going into my waterline using my new e.l.f. Cosmetics Active Eyeliner. It's supposed to be really good and water resistant. So it's good when you're working out or if you're, a crier at a wedding. So I'm going to apply that. And it actually really goes on really well. It was $4 at Walmart, guys. I'm going to be using my favorite mascara of the moment, the Total Tease mascara from CoverGirl. It's a nice waterproof mascara, and I love the one. It really makes your eyelashes pop. I'm going to be going into my favorite Anastasia Glow Kit in Moonstone. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks and my nose using my Morph blending brush. It's a really fluffy brush, and I love it for highlighting. Notice that I put my highlighter on actually after I sprayed my face with All Nighter. That's another trick to make your highlighter pop. Okay, I'm going to be using my Bite Cosmetics lip liner, and this came in my birthday kit from Sephora. And I'm going to be using Flower. This is a shade I found in a clearance at Walmart, and I'll post the shade below. But that's it, guys. I'm going to apply my earrings, fluff my hair, and we are ready to go. I really hope that you enjoyed this pink frilly look just in time for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this look, drop down a pink heart below. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on social media. My IG is exocham_MUA. Exocham.